Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to show you all how to quickly and easily create a fitness center pro forma financial projections using my business plan template that is designed and aligned for the fitness center industry. So the way the video is going to work out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From that point in time, we're then going to dive into the Excel model or the financial model segment of my fitness center business plan template. I'm going to show you how to use the financial model, and once you're done with it, usually about 10, 15, 20 minutes later, your financial projections are all ready to go for your fitness center. All right, so with that said, let's go ahead and, as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky. I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. I am a business writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all do want to avoid all the fun and excitement of writing your own fitness center business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me calls, send me text, send me email. Be absolutely delighted to write it for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. A lot of my books are focused on business plan writing, go figure. So feel free, again, if you want some reading material on writing the business plan, check me out on Amazon. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor as well as subject matter expert for both business and finance. So if y'all do need some assistance with those financial projections, you're already done with your plan, but those numbers are really giving you some hassles, then just feel free to, again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I'd be delighted to write the or do your financial projections for you as well. All right, infomercial is done. So if you are interested in picking up my business plan template for a fitness center, it does come with a Word document. Say hello, Word document. This is my Word document portion section of it. But the star of the show, or star of this video rather, is going to be my Excel financial model. So the Excel financial model, it's broken into 4 tabs. It's got your information tab, is where you're going to make all your changes. It's got a projections tab, which is where I summarize a lot of the information. Then we've got your pro forma profit and loss statement for the next 12 months, broken up quarterly here. And then we've got your income statement for the next 5 years on this tab. Now, like I said, all the changes that we're going to be making on this template are going to be on the information page tab. And specifically, it's going to be in the darker colored cells. So the way this tab right here is, it's also broken up into segments as well. We've got our daily sales. Actually, this is going to be our monthly sales, rather. So these are our monthly sales. And then we've got our labor right here. Then we've got our startup cost here. We've got our monthly fixed cost down here. Then we've got our growth rates and then loan information. All right, so let's go ahead and go through this segment by segment. So for our monthly revenues, the way this is broken into is we've got our monthly membership fees. And we've got personal training. I'm just saying that we're going to be offering personal training in this template. If you're not going to be doing personal training, so let's just simply put 0 and it's all gone. All right, so the way this is works out in order to use it is that, like I said, we've got monthly fitness members here. I'm saying the variable cost per member is about 5%. The membership fee monthly is $39.99. You can change this to, if it's going to be $49.99, then just change it to $49.99. Also, this is going to be how many members you're going to be starting off with for the first month. This is going to be 500, put 500. If it's going to be 1,000, then put 1,000. Whatever it's going to be for your first month, go ahead and put your monthly membership there. The next line is going to be our personal training. If you're going to be offering personal training, how many personal training packages are you going to sell for the first month? For this example, I'm saying we're going to sell 100 personal training packages, and for each package we're going to sell is $120, and then we're going to be paying our personal trainers commissions for every session that they provide. And so our variable cost is a little bit higher at 40%. But feel free to move around these variables as you see fit. The next section is a labor section. The first line is going to be the executive team, the owners, whatever they're going to get paid. I'm saying it's $2,500 for the first month. But again, feel free to make the changes as needed. The next section is going to be managers. If you're going to have a manager, how much are they going to get paid? So this is the number of managers you're going to have, their hourly rate, and whether they're full-time or part-time. If they're full-time, it's going to be 172 hours. If it's going to be part-time, then make the change accordingly to however many hours they're going to be working in a month. The next section is going to be your startup cost section. The first 2 lines, this is going to be your investment. It's going to be your equity investment. It's also your loan. If you're going to take out a loan, then put the loan amount here. If you're going to be putting money out of your pocket, then put it in the first line. The following information down here, these are all where you're going to allocate your money. So right here is $600,000 together, and then all of this together is going to add up to the $600,000. So this is your funding, and this is where you're allocating the money. The first two lines of the funding, these titles can't be changed. So this is your build out, and this is your working capital. The other titles, feel free to change as you see fit. But again, you can always change all these dollar amounts here. So those are adjustable. Now, once you do put a loan information, so let's say you put a dollar amount for a loan right here, it will automatically populate down here. And then you can go ahead and change your interest rate around as you see fit, and also your term. And so you change your interest rate and your term, then it'll calculate your payment for you. And that payment will then permeate through your pro forma financial projections for your month-to-month, 12-month profit and loss statement, as well as your income statement as well. All right, so your monthly fixed cost, if you're going to buy, then put your rent as 0. But if you're going to lease, then put a dollar amount here for your lease. And then these titles right here are static. I just put the dollar amounts aligned right here. The next line is going to be your tax rate, whatever you think your tax rate is going to be. Make sure to put it right there. And here are your growth estimates, the first 5 years revenue growth, and then these are your subsequent costs. All right, so once you update this information here, then it will automatically update all of this information here, as well as your profit and loss for 12 months, as well as your income statement. So once you're done with moving the numbers around, the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to copy your income statement as well as your 12-month profit and loss statement. Then you're going to go over to your Word document, which is again included in the template. You're going to highlight the old information. For this example, we're going to get rid of the pro forma income statement, the old one, and we're going to hit Control V, and it's going to paste in the new pro forma financial projection. All right, so hopefully that information was helpful. As you can see, it's pretty straightforward using my template for the financial model. So if you are interested in buying my Fitness Center Business Plan template, which includes the Word document, and the Word document tutorial is in a separate video, but it also includes the financial model that we just went through. So if you're interested in purchasing that, this link right here will take you to my Fitness Center Business Plan template. Also, I do provide additional tutorials on how to write each one of the sections within my business plan template. And you can visit my link right here for free business plan writing tutorials. You can access those now. Make sure it's something that you can work with before you purchase the template. And if you're just not interested in working with a template and you just want somebody to do it for you, I do offer custom business plan writing. I do write the business plan for you. So just check out my website right here, this link. It'll take you to my custom business plan writing pages. All right, so let's sum it up and wrap it up. So in summary, if you do purchase the Fitness Center Business Plan template, it comes with a customizable Word document. It also comes with the basic financial model that we just went through, and this video is the tutorial for that specific financial model. A couple of limitations. First and foremost is the Word document is actually in Microsoft Word, and the Excel is in Microsoft Excel. So these documents are not compatible with Google Docs, and they're also not compatible with Apple products. And then finally, if y'all have any questions about the template before you buy, if you have any questions before you buy the template, please pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to have a conversation as to what you can expect in the business plan template, or I can answer whatever questions that you have outstanding about the template. However, after you purchase the template, then if you have questions on how to use it, I will refer you to my business plan tutorials. All right, hopefully this information is helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.